Hello, little artists. I'm Daisy. Today, we are going to draw a super cool and fun mermaid together. If you're ready for our fun story, let's get started. Let's draw the mermaid's head and her shiny hair. Shall we add a hair clip right here? Now, let's draw her eyes, mouth, and sweet little dimples. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Let's draw her body and arms. Now, time to draw that dazzling tail of hers. Legend says mermaids have the most beautiful voices and looks. And now, let's add her shimmering scales too. There we go. Now, let's draw the mermaid's other friends. A fish, a crab, and a must-have of the oceans, seaweed. Now, let's give them all names and listen to their story. Hey there! Welcome to the most colorful corner of the ocean. Do you know who we're meeting today? Meet Molly the mermaid. Molly loves swimming and sunbathing on a rock during the sunny hours of the day. Pink. Look at this hair. Bright yellow like the sun, wavy and super cool. Molly loves to shake her hair. Swish, swish, swish. Molly is super excited today because there's a giant dance festival in the ocean. Red. Blue. Time to put on her party outfit. Purple! She put on her purple top, Don't you think this purple top looks super cute on Molly? Pink. Orange. And her bright orange tail. Look at her fin, big and blue. She splashes her tail in the water. Splash, splish, splash. Swimming around and doing flips underwater. Molly has a secret. She wants to be the fastest dancer in the ocean. She even put on her lucky star hairpin with its little red flower and blue star. Yellow. Look, even the seaweeds are dancing to the rhythm. The green seaweeds are swaying side to side. Orange. Sway, sway. Wiggle, wiggle. Red. Molly's cheerful friends are here too. Our cool buddy tapping his claws to the beat, Krabby Chris, snip, snap, snip, snap. And the tiny but super fast yellowfish, beep, beep, beep. The music has started. Let's all join the rhythm. Krabby Chris is playing his claws. Snip, snap. Green seaweeds are waving. Swish, swish. Yellowfish Beep is spinning around. Zoom! And Molly the mermaid flips upside down, doing an awesome underwater somersault. Whoosh! Ta-da! And there you have it. Molly, Krabby Chris, and the Green Seaweed Band are on stage. Can you hear the music too? Come on, grab your paper and crayons and draw your very own ocean dance. See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye!